Good morning. This is Mrs. J. It's another great day in the neighborhood. September 11th, 9/11. It was 17 years ago when more than 3,000 people lost their lives. Anyway, what this video is about is I'm going to show you how to do a screenshot. So on your keyboard, you are going to find on the left-hand side, you're going to find the little button that is, there's function, there's control, and then the third one over, which is next to the alt button on the right hand side, is the Windows button. So you're going to press that one and also look onto the right hand side on the other side of the other alt button, and it's called PRTSC, print screen. So watch what happens. Are you watching? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Oops, that didn't happen, did it? Okay, screenshot. Let's try it again. There you go. So you got to push the Windows button first, then the print screen. All right, have a good one. This is the end of this video. Bye.